Yo, what's good, YouTubers? How you doing? So today, guys, I talk about how to trade gold like a pro in my last video. You really want to stick to this video because today I'm going to be talking about some real secrets about trading and about my strategy. So today you're going to see me trade live gold backtesting. I'm not backtesting actually, so it's more like everything I'm talking about, my strategy, my analysis, my risk management, psychology, and all of that. I'm going to put it out here on YouTube today. So you want to watch this video today, you really want to see my strategy, real life. If you don't really be understanding everything I'm talking about, today is the day you understand, because I'm going to be talking about breakout block, which is also known as breakout and retest, other block flow, liquidity, confirmation you need to see before entering any market. I'm going to be trading real account today, and as well showing you guys the analysis, the major things about the analysis which you really want to learn today. So stick to this video while I dive into the chart, then we'll draw the analysis together and we'll stick to the just stick around. Yeah, I'm showing you everything how it played out. It's going to get our SL, our TP, and all of that. So stay with me today, guys, as I trade real life. Yeah, come with me in the chat, let me show you all. Now gold is on, like I told you guys earlier before, whatever you're doing on gold, you should be buying gold. Whatever you're doing, whatever decision you're making, you're supposed to be buying gold. Yeah. Now, gold. Now, whatever you're doing, you're supposed to be buying gold. Gold has successfully hit a very high retracement level. So at this point, this is where I advise trader out there to invest. Like if you're at this point, if you probably you're busy with work, whatever it is, this is a perfect time you can invest in gold. You can just put money in your broker, any amount, leave it on the buy, and trust me, before the end of this year, you're making money, you're making good amount of money. Yeah. So what is happening here on gold? I don't want to waste much of our time here. It's very easy and very simple. I already marked out my chalk. Now this area I call a interesting zone. So there's a lot of information that's coming out here. Same thing that you're seeing here as well. Anywhere you see a change of character in this zone, you probably should understand what a change of character is by now. So this is a change of character zone you want to watch out for. Now this is a change of character right here. It's a pure trend, you can see it bought, and also change of character here as well. So that brings us back to a very this is giving, like, striking my attention why gold is respecting this zone. Yeah. Now successfully gold has touched our demand level. Now we want to wait. What are we waiting for? We want to see gold buy. I was looking at this market this very early this morning. I was going to buy, but like, no, you don't, even as much as knowing fully well that gold is going to buy, you don't want to break your rules. You need to see your confirmation completely before entering this trade. So I'm going to be waiting for gold to take out this Asian liquidity, then retrace back to give us a demand level, then take out this. It's going to create a new high. Once that high has been taken out, close with the body of a candle, then I'll ask my students to start buying gold to the upside. So this is what we're expecting on gold today. So this is what I'm going to be showing you guys. We're going to look at this chart real life. You're going to see everything that I'm talking about, how it plays out and all. So stick to this video, guys, as we'll proceed and all of that. So I'll keep you in check. We'll come back in a few hours time to see if the market is really playing out well. The market doesn't give us any movement just the way I said it. They will not buy gold. We're just going to chill and watch the market. But if it does give us a confirmation like this, then we'll buy gold. So stick to this video, guys. I'll come back in a few hours time to keep you in check. What's good, YouTubers? It's a beautiful day as usual. So today, guys, we'll continue from where we stopped on the last video. I talk about how we're going to be trading gold real lifetime. So you can see right here in my chart right now, I have gold. Like I told you guys yesterday, the time actually is about 10:57. That's like to 11 Nigeria time right now. So yesterday the market was really slow. Yeah, so we didn't have our confirmation. So you can see over here in my chart right now, no confirmation, no trade. No confirmation, no trade. So this is the first lesson I want you all to learn. There's no confirmation. This way you just save your capital from unnecessary trade and unnecessary losses. So this is how you can manage your capital. You don't have to trade, you don't have to force trade where there is no trade. Yeah, so that's the first lesson. One, you're going to learn a lot from this video, guys. Trust me, like I told you before, you really want to stick to this video to the end. So we're going to take time to analyze this chart, show you guys how I trade, real life and all of that. Today when I was looking at this chart, the market was still around this zone right here. Yeah, it was around this zone. So right now the market has retraced up, so it's already giving us reason for buys, but not yet, not completely. The reason is not yet complete, and yes, we have liquidity that's still resting on top of here. So these are highs that I'm actually looking at to catch the buys. So highs I'm looking to catch the buys on gold. So now gold has successfully touched our demand level. Remember, you want to first of all understand is how the market touched your demand level, and you want to wait for reaction. Your what's it called? You want to wait for the other traders like retail traders will tell you chart patterns. Yeah, but I'm a smart money concept. Like I usually tell you, I trade smart money concept. We follow the footprint of the big banks out there. Yeah. So what we do, we look out for where the banks are moving the money. There's so much more you need to learn about smart money concept. There's so much theory, so much ideology, so much going on in the world that will help you predict the market correctly. So one way to understand gold, you must also understand fundamental analysis here. So I'm not talking about, I think I'll come back to know what's going on fundamental analysis, so share with you guys so we can compile them together, have one direction. But basically I'm looking out for buy. Yeah, already I checked, but I still have to show you guys. So now guys, we have eyes and taking out. So what are we looking at for? Like I told you before, it's already happened already. You can see I told you guys go respect this zone, and now there's an inner change of character here that I'm waiting for it to be respected. Once it's been respected, I'm waiting for gold to like take out this high, close in the body candle. That's confirmation 2. Confirmation 1, it has touched our demand level, which you can see right here. This demand level here. Confirmation 1. Confirmation 2 is for it to break out this high, close with the body. Once that body has been closed, then the retracement, we can then look at to buy or wait for price to take out on that high and then enter this zone to refine your entry for less losses. And then it's easier for you to predict gold this way to one direction. So this is what I'm looking at to catch here on gold on today. It's Wednesday already, so you can see why we've not been trading. We've not entered any trades Monday. We're still waiting for price to give us a full confirmation before going into gold, going for a buy. So patience is the key. Remember, you have to be patient to trade gold. Don't rush the market. It helps you to also save your capital for a better setup. Yeah, and of course your mental health, psychology. You don't have to think much when trading gold. So that's all for gold. I'll keep you in check by the time the market is ready to buy. Then we'll be trading live. I'm recording this video to post online for you to see real life charts, real life strategy I've been talking about on this channel for everybody to watch and learn from it. Yeah. So I'll see you next. I'll see you in a few hours, probably by New York section. Once the market is clear to buy, I'll come back to this to the chart and do a video for you to watch. So for now, guys, we're gonna sit here and watch the market do its thing. See you in the next episode, guys. Peace. I did drop this signal in the group, and for those who took it through, yeah, but I set buy limit on my account, so I was hoping price was going to get to this level. It's spot at this level right here. Price didn't get to this level, but anyway, this is it. We have the inner change of character right now. Inner change of character from here, so you can call this chalk. So this is our chalk. Now, like I told you, you want to watch out for market to close with the body, which it already did. You can spot that right here. Price closing with the body. Even as much as going higher. Right? So price went all the way up here, and now price is reversing back. So what is our next look at on here on gold? It's very easy, very easy. I love this strategy. You will love it, guys, trust me. So let me take this off so you see what's going to happen. So already we already have this wick candle coming from here. So we have a demand in this area, this zone. So we have, I doubt there's a demand here too though. We have to demand on every levels where you're supposed to spot out your demands area, but I doubt price will get to this other demand here. Instead, we're looking at this imbalance candle here. Yes, this is a perfect entry for this trade. Perfect entry for this trade. So we'll be buying gold from here. Buying gold from here. Perfect entry. This should give us a very long ride. But I'm not expecting any funny movement on gold today. More like spike. I'm not expecting anything. I'm expecting a cool, steady movement, but it's gonna move very nice. It's definitely gonna move very nice. So we have this entry right here. Yeah. So this is beautiful. This is beautiful. I love this analysis. So I'm going to set buy limit right now. I already have my buy limit. I have to modify my entry right now on that area. So we have roughly 28 minutes for the news rather to kick in. So we have this FOMC news by 8 o'clock today, like I said earlier. So we want to see how the market can move smoothly, nice, catch some nice movement today on gold. So I'm really excited because I'm so certain about this trade, guys. So in the next 28 minutes, 27 minutes, I'll come back to complete the content that I'm putting for you all to watch and enjoy how I trade live trading. Yeah, it's like how I trade gold live trading. I think that will be the title I'll give to this. The topic I'll give to this content. So how I live trade gold. Yeah. So learn from this, guys. See you in 27 minutes. Time. All right, peace. Yo, what's good, guys? It's a continuation of our video. Yeah. So you can also see my chart right now, and you can see the market is playing very cool, very nice. And like I told you guys, the main essence of this video is for educational content. It's to lecture you and show you how to trade professionally. I've come out here to the internet to make a difference to every trader out there, and as well to document the journey for me being a successful trader out here on YouTube. Yeah, so I'm happy to show you guys now that price is playing very well in our direction. Yeah. So guys, you can see the chart right now, and you can see the market is looking very nice and very clean. I told you guys exactly the entry I told you yesterday is already playing out very well. You can see I'm making only on profit right now, and it's heading to our TPR already. I'm making massive profit right now. Yeah. So learn from this. It's easier to trade forex when you are with the right mentor. So at this point, you can now understand that forex is not a scam. Forex can be treated as a business. You can actually make it here in the forex industry. This is evidence that yes, you can make it out here in the forex industry. All you need is a proper strategy and a proper mindset for a proper approach towards the market. If you're messing with your strategy, you're messing with your capital. These things will also affect your capital. You'll not be able to make money longer. You keep blowing up a lot of accounts. Yeah. So remember, it's just three things that I did here: supply and demand. But since we're looking at for buy, we're looking at for demand. Demand is a confirmation one, change of character, BOS, candlestick close the body, not to the wick, and that's your entry. I'll explain it again in the chat so you guys will understand. Now, I said it earlier before price got to our entry. You all saw it already. You saw it. If you watch this video from the very beginning, you saw how I told you guys price was going to trigger here, and it did. Came back here, and I told you guys price was going to take out this high. It did, right? So confirmation 1, demand, yeah. The demand entry right here, price came back here, and then create a demand level here. It's a demand level here. And they mark that out, but you have to remember that's a demand level if you understand what demand is. Yeah, like I told you before, I've talked about demand on my YouTube channel. You can still go and watch it to understand better. Here is a change of character. What does change of character means is it simply means when price simply want to change to a different direction shift, either to the upside or to the downside. That becomes a change of character. So this becomes my change of character because price was already coming down before. At some point, price the character changed to bullish. So they're going up, and now price we waited. We didn't just enter yet. Even though after seeing 2 confirmation, you see why patience matters a lot. Now price went on the way up here. I told you guys to take out this liquidity, and it did, right? And then body close, and then we wait for price to retrace back. That because our VOX. Now what's happening? Price already making us lose, making money right now. So if you're looking to enter this trade now, perpetual, you miss our first entry, and then you want to enter. You don't have to rush into this trade. The first thing you have to do is what? Being patient. Watch out for your confirmation, or watch out for other entry levels. So you want to watch out for gold to pull back to this entry level. Once gold has pulled back to this entry level, you guys will see that very well. Then you can ride for a buy. Alright, so you can have a safe stop loss. Remember, trade the market like a business. Don't be in a rush. Trade the market like a business. Today is Thursday, isn't it? Yeah, today is Thursday. We'll be analyzing this trade on Monday. So I did tell you guys that it's probably be Thursday before we can get a good entry. And here it is. Today is Thursday already. Thursday, here it is. We got a proper good entry at last. So that's how it takes for this strategy for you to finally see your strategy in play now. So don't rush the market. Don't trade what you don't know. Don't trade what you see. Trade what you understand. What you know. What I've taught you on YouTube. You'll make it out here, guys. So guys, I think it's all for now, and just go making profit for us already. So I'd like you all to do me a favor. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. I also like you guys to share to people like yourself that'll be very interested to learn forex trading. Don't be too greedy. Share out to forex traders to watch and to learn from this channel. And also I'll love to see your comment if you have any questions and all of that. And I think that'll be all for the content for the video. So we'll call it a day. Price is already making us money. It's a live chat, showing you guys my analysis and all of that. How it played out very well. They already know today is Thursday morning. You can see how long it took us. So guys, subscribe, share, comment, and I'll be dropping my link to my Telegram channel. If you want to be part of the family, you can join the link to join the Telegram. Alright, so guys, that'll be all. Gold is really making us proud right here. Trade gold, guys. Trade gold. Alright guys, peace. Stay safe, yeah. See you next one.